about heating up food on Shabbos.
Mm-hmm.
If one's hot plate can heat the food above Yad Soledes bowl on its max setting,
Mm-hmm.
is one obligated to place a blech on the hot plate?
Yes. Yeah.
But
Mm-hmm.
if we don't set it on max.
Okay. Yeah. One of the two. One of the two. We also use a hot plate, but we use blech. Okay. So we just where's the blech? Just so we know. So in our hot plate, it says clearly like a huge red letters. It says do not put any sheet of this aluminum foil. Don't do that. So blech as regular blech is not going to work. So when we say blech is inverted vessel. So this aluminum disposable containers. That's what we do. I mean the perfect size, perfect everything. You just put them upside down, and on them you put normally your container with food, whatever you want to warm up. Okay, that's the blech. Blech is a separation. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.